Hi guys. Hi Kanika. Hi Aarti. Hi Safmina. Hi Komal. Hi guys. Keep joining. Join. I'm waiting. I'm excited to show you the new molds what we've got. Hi Revati. Hi Nimisha. Hi Aarti. Hi Purna. Hi Kani Vivek. Hi PPU. Can I know your name? Hi Kolveda. Good Safina. Hi Dharni. Hi Archri. So guys, excited to what's new in. So guys, we have, I'll tell you how many. 6 new molds. 6 new molds and some old molds restocked and some new glitters. Actually, I know I was getting messages that saying, that they're missing my live, they're missing me. They wanted me to just come live. Hi Geetika. Hi Prismatic Soul. So guys, what do you want me to start first with? Glitters? Hi Palette for Life. Hi Priya. So Priya and Dharni have joined. If you guys follow all 3 of us, you would have seen we were trying to have 3 people live together. What is extra sound? I have a lot of extra sound, dog barking, traffic, my staff working on order packings and new stock. So you'll find too many sounds over here, Priya. My office is on the kind of main road, so you can hear even bird chirping around. Molds, you guys want to see the molds? Oh, Kanika, everyone wants molds. Okay. See, there's a car honk sound. I'm really sorry. Okay, Divya. So many of you want to show me the... Okay, I'll show you some molds. No, there is a sound like generator. Is it? Some motor sound. There's no motor sound. Someone wants to join me live. Who's that? Well, it's molds. Yes, Priya. It might be through mic, I think. One sec. Still, are you able to hear some sound? Mic sound, yeah. Got it. It's a mic. Say hi. Hello. Hello, Nitra. So guys, let me start with the molds then. I'll start with the huge molds, okay? Okay. So I'm starting with some big huge mold. It's a huge mold, okay? And it's a unique one. See, this is a jar mold. See the depth inside? You can easily put flowers, crystals, shells. It has a good depth. I think it is somewhere around, it has a depth of 1 centimeter something. Okay, this is the cap of it, lid. This is the lid, this is the jar. Once you demold the piece, the lid will fix on it. Okay, see how big this is. Okay, and it's a heavy mold also. Guys, when you order, please don't bargain on shipping. I can't do anything on the shipping. The molds are little heavy. So this is design 1, and I'll show you one more design which is little smaller in size, and it's a square shape. See. Okay, this will be the top part and this is the lid. Once you demold it, this is the jar mold 2. Is it a candle holder, Netra? No, this is a jar mold. This is jar. This is a square jar. This is a round jar. Guys, these all will be uploaded by tomorrow. I'm not going to upload new stock today. It will be uploaded tomorrow. So this is the 2 jar molds I just showed you. And people were asking me about the name board mold. Okay, see, this is the name board mold. See the size. Hi Shobs. See guys, this is a normal rectangle name board mold. It comes with the hole. Okay, so this is the one design, and it has a good depth. I think it has around 1 centimeter depth in it. Yeah, it's 1 centimeter depth. You can put crystals, flowers, shells, C-team board if you are making name board. This is one design. Then there is one more small design I'll show you. This is design number 2 for name board. Sorry. Yeah, it is like a wood plank design shape. Okay, you able to see guys? Even this has a 1 centimeter depth. Hi Splash Studio. Hi guys. Hi. See, I won't be able to respond to you all. I'll just start showing the molds and then I will reply to your questions. So this is name board design number 2. Okay, now thing is, see, we do have fittings, limited fittings for this, the key rings and the chain. Okay, I'll show you that also, which you can use it. One sec, I'll show you. See, for hanging, you can, and this is in, okay, you get for the name board, you can just put it both the sides and you can just hang it, hook it. Okay, please block me one. Which one do you want, Priya? The rectangle one or you want the wood plank design? Thank you guys. Got parcel from Madras Bazaar just now and still watching live to order more. Safmeena, thank you. Okay, so I have this one limited, but guys, you can get this. I think it should be available locally. This is the normal book ring, you know, for the album rings, what they use, that ring and the chain. You should be able to find it locally also. Okay, so I've shown you this 2 new mold. Then now something for Christmas related. Such a huge snowflake mold. See this. Who wants the wood mold? Second one you showed. Guys, I'm not booking anything over here. Guys, booking will be on website only. Priya, I'll forward you a link. You can place order on website tomorrow, not today. Guys, Neha, even Neha, I'm telling you, I'm not booking any mold right now. See the huge snowflake. Guys, you can put your LED lights inside. You can just make a piece and you can hang it on your main door or inside or in your balcony. Perfect for your Christmas. See how huge it is, and it has a, I think even this has a depth of 8 centimeter. I guess 8 centimeter or sorry 8 mm. Let me check. Yeah, it has a 8 mm depth. Palette for life, you have to order on website dear. I'm not booking her. So guys, snowflake mold, huge one. Then I have something moon facing. Okay, this can be used as a trinket tray or you can use it as a tea light holder also. See this, it's a moon face mold, moon facing they say. It has a star in between. It's an engraved. Okay, so when you take out your piece, you can actually paint the star in between. You can add glitters, pigments, you can add stones. Yeah, so this is one. So I guess I'm done with the new molds. Okay, yeah, so new molds. One sec, let me again recheck the new molds. Okay, yeah, I'm done with the new molds guys. So I'll show you, you want to see what I have restocked it. Okay, I'll show you the restock mold what I have got it. This is the island mold guys. You would have seen we already have on our website. Island mold 1, island mold 2. Okay, 2 designs is what I have. Yeah, island mold. Then I've got we have restocked this crystal epoxy mold. Okay, all the 3 varieties. This is one. Aarti, yes, I will show you the stickers also. We have got some sticker also in stock. This is one more crystal mold, and this is the third crystal mold, crystal epoxy mold. It will be updated tomorrow, guys. I'll try tonight or else tomorrow, sure, pakka. So all the three crystal molds are restocked. I know I'm tempting you guys, right? Price for which one, Preeti? Preeti, the prices are on website for these already. You can just check once. Okay, these are already on website, but the restock will be updated tomorrow. See, crystal mold. Then yeah, people were asking for this feather plate mold. Large feather plate mold is restocked, guys. Will be updated on website tomorrow. Hi Preeti, Goidani, Aarti, tempting. I know. So large leaf molds, guys, who have been asking me from 1 week for this, it's restocked. I'll be updating tomorrow on the website. And small bowl. This is a small bowl. People were asking for these also. It's a cute one, na? See, didn't get wing bowl mold also. Pile, I didn't get you what. Wing bowl mold, no. Pile, I haven't restocked that. Price for feather mold. Netra, it's on website. The prices are already there. Kanika, yes, you can place order tomorrow. Guys, if you're not on broadcast, send me a WhatsApp message. I'll add you to broadcast and you will get an update. Spark resin art, that's a feather, it's not a leaf. So this is a small bowl mold, guys. It has a cutting design inside. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see in video, but the picture is on website already. Mental blocks is waiting to order. Random studio crafts. Okay, one more Christmas mold. People have been asking me for, because this was a super hit, okay, when we launched. This is restocked again. Mini flowers pot. Netra, that is a cup mold. Mini, you can use that as a flower pot also. So this is a Christmas mold. We wish you Merry Christmas. You would have already seen some creations we have shared already, done by our artist clients. Okay, so I think I'm done with the restock molds also. Okay, so molds done. Check once again. So guys, shoot me questions regarding molds. I'm not taking order on WhatsApp right now. You can place order on website tomorrow, and if you want to know when I upload it, get added in broadcast. Mini flower pot mold. Yes, it's super cool. Oh, see, I'll show you. See, guys, this is the ashtray mold. It's a weed ashtray mold design. What was that? I miss seeing wood plank. Glitter paste kijiye. Yes, Shubs, I'll do that. I have lots of things coming planned for this week. I have, guys, I'm just giving you a small clue. I am getting more, will be launching more shades in pearl powders. I know the 16 shades what I have is not enough, so I am planning to launch more 3 shades soon. Nikki, which live did you miss? Show the first mold you shown. First mold, jar mold. Wait, I'll show you again after that. Guys, the round edge mold, okay, this is the round platter mold. You can use it for your plates, platters. You can use it for your trays also. Nimisha, I'm not telling you how many I have in stock. New Year mold, Happy New Year molds, no. So this is round also restocked. Koi fish mold is restocked. Cheese board mold is restocked. This is the normal cheese board in the round cheese board. The round one. The round is also restocked. What's the diameter? Diameter of which one? Abhi wala didn't see any mold. Nikki, I will reshare all the molds again. I'll show it again in the live. So guys, the restock of the molds 1, 2, 3 and the fish mold done, right? So I'll show you from the beginning the new molds. Okay, this is the jar mold. This is the jar. This is the lid. It's a huge one. It has a good depth. Nikki, see, I'm showing you once again. So check the mold. It has a good space in between. When you pour your resin, you can put shells, crystals, you can add glitters, you can add a lot of stuffs inside, flowers, dry flowers. Oh yeah, guys, I have got dry flowers in stock, but only one variant. Okay, yeah. So this is jar mold 1, flowers. This is the square jar mold. This is little smaller than that, lid and the jar. Okay, it is a screw type lid, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it will be loose or it won't fit. Spark resin art prices are not disclosed now. You can check on website when I upload it tomorrow. Round platter one diameter is 7.5 inch, I guess, 7.5 or 8 inch. So jar mold number 2. Then we had shared snowflake mold. It has a hole. You can hang it. You can put a light in it, LED light. You can add crystals. You can add glitters, whatever you like. Okay. So this is the other one. Okay. This is the name board mold, rectangle one, which has a hole in it. This is the design 1, and this is the wood plank design. Preeti, you were asking what was that? This is the design, wood plank design. This is the design number 2. Spline strokes, yes, fruit clay sprinkles, heart sprinkles, star sprinkles, snowflake sprinkles, all that will be restocked soon. Soon, maybe by December end or Jan. Not very near now. It will take 2-3 weeks. Okay, I think I have done. Yeah, this is one more moon facing mold. It comes with the star engraving. You can use your tea light. You can use it as a trinket tray. Okay, so it's your imagination, however you want to use it. Riya, I know you've been telling me you want that wood plank. Everyone wants the wood plank. Guys, I have very limited stock of those. So I have shown you the new launch molds. Restock molds I just showed you again. The Christmas mold, we wish you Merry Christmas mold. The 3 crystal epoxy mold. Okay. The island molds. The island mold. It's used for jewelry. People were asking me for jewelry molds. This and large feather plate mold and the cheese board molds. Okay, so guys, this flowers in stock, but you know these boxes are damaged, so I have to replace the boxes and then send you in the new box. So it will take 2-3 days time for me, but it will be uploaded. I have limited stock, I think some 25 or 30 pieces only, 30 boxes. Okay, and now I'm done with molds. Guys, who else have missed the launch of the new molds, I will be sharing this, saving this video in IGTV. You can see there. Now, okay, koi fish mold also, yeah. Now I will, as Shubs was waiting eagerly, glitters pesh kiya jaye. So guys, star glitters. This is blue star, pink star, and the fluorescent yellow star. It works very good for your shaker molds, for jewelry, for Christmas related charms. I'm not sure if you are able to see the star. I will upload these tomorrow. Thank you, stickers. Yeah, I will show you. Oh my god, Priya. Thank you, stickers. Reshma. So this is the 3-star glitters we have launched now. Yellow, blue, pink. Not clear. Aarti, I'll share you the picture. Clear picture will be shared in live. I'm not sure if you are able to see the picture. It's very neonish, so it might not cover. One is all the same. Give me one. Okay, then apart from that, I have small square shaped glitters. This is iridescent and gold. Small square in gold and square in iridescent white. Clear pictures, I'll share it guys in Instagram by tomorrow. Please wait. I'm just showing you what is new coming. And you guys would have seen our fairy dust and angel dust already, the glitters which are very famous. So we have, in that itself we have more 2 new variants. This is unicorn dust. I know Priya, if she comes to know, she'll be like, why you didn't tell me? Guys, this is very beautiful. I'll share the video of this. You can see the differences between all the glitter. And this is mermaid dust. Picture won't be, I don't know, video can't capture the actual thing. This is the unicorn dust. This is mermaid dust. This is our fairy dust. Sorry, this is our what is this, angel dust, and this is the fairy dust. See, all looks white, but when you get it in your hand, it has all the 4 are different. I'll share the video. Yeah, Priya. Yeah, Priyanka. Hi. Will everything be available on website? Kirtana, yes. Artista Preeti, not clear. I know pictures video won't be clear. Priya, I know you're angry. I didn't tell you about these glitters. I should have sent you actually. I'll show you guys. I'll share the clear video which will be more visible. In the live it's not clear at all. It doesn't make, it doesn't judges the color at all. The picture doesn't make the judge. Okay, so now thank you sticker. I will open and show you one so you can see. I have limited stock. I'm getting another design also in thank you. I'm just opening one to show you guys. Okay, I think I should off the light. Are you guys able to see the thank you? Book mine glitter please. What glitter? Okay, there is some start somewhere about this thank you sticker. Okay, it's start. So guys, see thank you stickers. If you want, I'll just stop the. Okay, now are you able to see the thank you? No, I'm not sure the video is able to capture. See, this is the thank you sticker. I don't know if you guys are able to see. I'll share the picture guys. I know it's not clear. Keep pouring your love guys. I can see. Okay, so these are thank you stickers. Each roll has 500 stickers. Okay, it's okay. I want. Yeah, Priya, I know you want it. So yours and Darni's is already booked, I know. So guys, I have another 8 pieces, I think 8 rolls of this. It will be uploaded on website tomorrow. Guys, if you don't want to miss this, join on broadcast immediately so you don't miss it. Okay, so the thank you stickers. Okay, I am done with my showing of the glitters and everything. Anything else you guys want me to show you? Anything which you want me to share? Kirtana, everything will be available on website tomorrow. Payal, you want one roll, I know that. I'll send you the links on my broadcast. Who all are there in my broadcast, you will get the link. Oh, you want the glitters now, Priya? Too much today. Only I sent you a parcel. I'll send you. Don't worry. Lighter. Okay. Danzo guys on the way. On the way for what, Priya? For the glitters? Adipavi, let me know. Okay, I'll ask my staff to keep it ready. Only for you, right? Not for 3D Ganesha mold. Sangvi ready. We have 2D Ganesha mold. It's like a standee mold. You couldn't. I think you have not seen our new mold. Priya, only for you, or you want even Dharni wants it? I think Dharni is not here. Shall I send it only to you? Dried flowers, I just showed you. This is the flower which I have got in stock right now. The box one. It has lot of flowers. See, purple, pink, red, yellow. Oh, okay. One more in each for Priya Dharni. Priya, sending it. I need the thank you sticker. Nawaz, Salma. See, I'm not taking any order on in Instagram or WhatsApp. You have to book it on website only. Priya. Okay, Priya. Hey, you can book it in 10 minutes, Priya. Or else it will be late. What's the time now? Yeah, book it in 10 minutes, Priya. Or else you can book it. They're packing yours. Crafts Galore, Reshma, you have to place order on website. The new mold, Puffy Heart mold. Let me see if we have stock. I'll just check. The small heart. 9 heart. I think I have stock. Who wanted that? Aisha, I think we have stock of it. Puffy Heart mold. On website, I think it's not showing. But we do have stock. Tomorrow, which time? Aarti, you are there in my broadcast, right? I'll let you know on broadcast what time it will be. It's there, right? Aisha, Puffy Heart mold is available on website. You can place order for it. Oh, Priyanka. Oh, you are also Priya. I got your name as Priyanka Meher Reshma, something like that. Flower molds. The flower molds are there on website. Broadcast. Yes, Kirtana. Are you not on broadcast? WhatsApp broadcast? Guys who all are not on broadcast, do join broadcast. WhatsApp broadcast 7010323040. Okay. So send me a hi message with your full name and a message stating that you want to be added in broadcast. Guys, I might not respond to you immediately. I get so many messages. It's impossible to reply to all messages. So then and there I keep adding your names in broadcast. I already have 800 plus people on broadcast. So people who always ask me why my molds goes out of stock immediately, it's because of the broadcast. Repeat your number 7010323040. Hi Nilaya, I think you missed the products what I just showed. Okay guys, done. Thank you so much for joining. I think that's it. You guys don't have any more questions. Sorry, my phone just had fallen. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, I'm done. Thank you. Bye.